Welcome to our immersive expedition through the captivating world of Earth's natural elements. From towering mountains to cascading waterfalls, join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the awe-inspiring beauty and power of nature's wonders. Are you ready to connect with the elements? Let's begin our elemental adventure. Our journey begins with the solid ground beneath our feet, the foundation of life itself, Earth. Spells out E-A-R-T-H, Earth. Can you feel the stability and strength of the Earth beneath you, supporting all living beings? Earth. Let's honor the soil that sustains us and the landscapes that shape our world. Flowing freely across the land, we encounter the life-giving force of water, shaping valleys and carving canyons. Water. Spells out W-A-T-E-R, water. Can you hear the gentle trickle of a stream or the roar of a mighty waterfall? Water. Let's cherish the rivers, lakes, and oceans that sustain life and nourish our planet. Riding on the wings of the wind, we embrace the invisible force of air, carrying whispers of change and renewal. Air. Spells out A-I-R, air. Can you feel the breeze caress your skin or the power of a gusty windstorm? Air. Let's appreciate the breath of life that fills our lungs and sustains all living creatures.